Alright, so it's Ricky Repairs back at again. Today what we're doing is a brake bleed on the Mitsubishi Eclipse. It's the same thing, same process for 2000 up to 2005 Mitsubishi Eclipse. Same thing for 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder. Similar process. Alright, so just go ahead and grab a little small hose, water bottle, or anything you have. So there's a sequence for this one. So this is the second one. First one you want to do is the rear passenger side. Alright, let's go ahead and show you. Alright, so here you have it. Right here's a wheel cylinder. Just go to remove that little cap. Right there. The size for this one is 10 millimeter. The front ones are 8 millimeter. Alright, just go ahead and have someone press on the brake pedal 3 to 5 times and tell them to keep their foot on the pedal. Just go ahead and loosen this, and fluid should start coming out with your little hose. And after that, tell them not to remove their feet on the brake pedal. After that, close it, and you can tell them to let their foot go from the brake pedal. Alright, so you want to do this process about 3 to 5 times in order to clear the fluid. So tell them to pump 3 to 5 times again, and keep their foot on the pedal, and go ahead and break this loose again so the fluid could start coming out. After that, just tell them to keep their foot on the pedal. After that, close it. After that, they could let go from the brake pedal. So yeah, continue the process 3 to 5 times. After that, you want to move to the front. So this is the first one. Second one is the one I'm working on right now, which I already did it, but I'm trying to explain the process right here. So the size for this one is a 10 millimeter, no, 8 millimeter. Different sizes. Just go ahead and tell your friend to pump it 3 to 5 times. After that, the fifth one, tell them to keep their foot in the pedal. After that, just break it loose, and fluids will start coming out. As you can see, it's all brown. It's pretty dirty. So do the same thing. Do it about 3 to 5 times. Alright, so after that, next thing you want to do is the third and the last one. So that's the sequence for this one. So yeah, check the owner's manual on yours or look it up. But yeah, every car is different. Some requires the back ones first, then move to the front. Especially the one next to the master cylinder, you want to do that last. But for this sequence, for this car, it's going to be the second one. Alright, so I'm going to put the wheels back on and jack up the third one and the last one, which is going to be the front passenger. So on that one, I will show you how to do it step by step. Alright, let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and put this floor jack over there. Alright, just go ahead and do that. Alright, let's go ahead and get the third one. Just gonna remove the wheels. Alright, just gonna remove the passenger side, the front one. Alright, so we're in the driver's side, rear. Just gotta remove this little gasket cover right here. Just go to remove it. Alright, so just go ahead and plug in your hose. Alright, go ahead and pump 5 times. Fifth one, keep your foot on the brake pedal. Alright, I'm gonna break it loose. With that, you'll see the fluid right here. Went down? Alright, I'm gonna close it. Alright, so you close it. Just tell them to pump again 5 times. Go ahead and pump it. Fifth. Keep your foot on the pedal. Alright, let's go ahead and break it open again. Break it loose. I don't know if you can see the fluids right there. Let's go ahead and break it open. It's pretty dirty. Keep your foot on the pedal. Alright, I'm gonna close it. Close. Go ahead and pump it 5 times again. Alright, fifth, keep your foot on the pedal. Don't let go. I'm gonna break it loose. I'm gonna close it. Alright, it's closed. Go ahead and pump it 5 times. Alright, we're good. I'm gonna break it loose. Keep your foot on the pedal. Brake pedal. Fluid coming. I'm gonna lock it. Keep your foot on the pedal. Alright. So there you have it. You want to do this 3 to 5 times. Alright, so before we move on to the next one, you gotta keep an eye on your brake fluid. Just go ahead and check the fluid level. Alright, just go ahead and check the brake fluid level. As you can see, it's still there. I don't know if you can see that, but it's right there. So you want to keep an eye on that. See, that's the level right there. So the minimum is right there and the max is up here. All right, so let's go to open it and add some more fluid to get to the passenger side. Let's go to add some fluid. So also you want to make sure the fluid, the new fluid you buy, see it's now up here, it's sealed and it's never been opened. Alright, we're just going to close that. Then get to the last. Let's go ahead and do it one more time. Alright, just go ahead and do this one last time. Then move to the passenger side. Alright, just go ahead and do it one last time. Go ahead and pump it 5 times. Five. All right, I'm gonna break it open. All right, I'm gonna close it. So my alarm went off. All I basically did is just close it. All right, just gonna get to the last side. It's gonna be the passenger side. See the fluid? It's pretty dirty. Just gonna put this wheel back on. Go ahead and put the little covering back on. And George has it. Alright, just gonna put the wheels back on. This is the front passenger side. Just gonna remove that little gasket right there. All right, so for the front one is the size 8mm. See, the fluid's pretty dirty. Just gonna connect their hose. Go ahead and pump it 5 times. Keep your foot on the pedal. Alright, just go ahead and break it loose. Keep your foot on the pedal. Don't let go. We're just gonna close it. All right, let go. Go ahead and pump it 5 times again. Five times. I'm gonna break it loose. Keep your foot on the pedal. Don't let go. Just gonna break it loose. Your foot should go down. I'm gonna lock it. Lock. It's close. Go ahead and pump it 5 times again. Five times. Do that, break it loose again. Foot should have gone down. I'm gonna lock it. Locked. Go ahead and pump it 5 times. Five times. Keep your foot on the pedal. Don't let go. Foot should have gone down again. All right, go ahead and lock it. Locked. Go ahead and pump it 5 times again. Five. I'm gonna lock it. The foot should have gone down to the floor, the brake pedal. All right, just gonna lock it. Locked. Pump it 5 times. Keep your foot on the brake pedal. I'm gonna break it loose. All right, gonna lock it. Locked. Pump it 3 times. Third. Just gonna do this one last time. I'm gonna break it open. Keep your foot on the brake pedal. All right, just gonna lock it. Locked. All right, that should be it. Go ahead and pump it a few times. So I just recently replaced the front brake pads and the rotors, so might as well do the flush on the brake system. So that's how you bleed it. All right, let's go ahead and put the wheels back on. So here's the brake fluid. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. So as you're bleeding it, make sure you want to check your level. Always keep an eye on that. You don't want that running empty. All right, that's it. Alright, so that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Thank you.